So good morning everyone. Today I'm going to start with question 5th. Okay, read out the question till the time. What is given in the question? What is the shape given to you? And how you can take out the area? See to it. This is a shape which is given to you. Anyone can tell me what is this? A, B, G. What is this? Anyone can tell me? What is this shape? Yes, triangle. Very good. Now can you tell me what is this? C, F, B, G. What is the shape? This is a very good rectangle. Okay. After that, one more shape is given. Now, please tell me what is CFED. What is this shape? CFED. Very good. So we are having three shapes in this particular figure. Three shapes. Okay, three different shapes. You have taken out of these three shapes. Right? This is a triangle. This is a rectangle. And this is a trapezium. Okay? Trapezium in which these two sides are parallel and these are non-parallel sides. Okay? After that, this complete is given to you. This complete is given to you 100 centimeter. Okay? This much. Okay? This C to D. This is given to you 25. I'm going to erase this. This is given to you 25 centimeter. Right? This is given to you. The height of this triangle is given to you, that is 15 centimeter. Okay? And this length is given to you, this CF. CF is given to you 10 centimeter. Again. Okay? So this is your triangle. Now please can you tell me, first of all I'll take out the area. Area of figure. You have to take out the area. They have given in the book that find the area of given figure, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This complete shape. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This complete shape. Okay? So particularly you don't know the name of this complete shape. Okay? But this shape is a combination of different shapes. Okay? This is a triangle, this is rectangle, this is trapezium. So take out the areas one by one of all these three shapes. Yes, Avika, correct. Okay, and then add the area and take out the answer. Okay. In my PDF, the PDF which I am sending to you, in the PDF I have added the area, complete area. Area of triangle plus area of rectangle. Okay, plus area of trapezium. I have written in this way in the PDF. Okay, area of triangle I have taken out, side by side I am taking out area of rectangle, then add addition with the area of trapezium. You can take out the area in this way also or one by one also. It's understood? Okay, one by one I have taken out complete. Okay, combined area I have taken out. Right? So right now in the class I am going to take out the area one by one. Okay, it's your choice. You can take out the combined area or one by one. So first of all, area of triangle, that is ABG. Tell me the area of triangle. Yes, area of triangle is, what is the formula of area of triangle? Yes, everyone. Area of triangle. Yes, very good. Yes, correct. Half into base into height. Okay, so what is the base here? Half. What is the base here? Base. Base is this BG. BG is the base, and BG is similar with the CF. These two are similar. Whatever the CF is there, that same the BG is there. Okay, understood? BG is similar with the CF. So CF is 10. Obviously BG is also 10. Okay, so it is 10. And height. What is the height? Height is given to you here. Height is 15 centimeter. Height is given 15 centimeters. This is mentioned here. Okay, this is the height of this triangle, 15 centimeters. So take out the area. 2 5s are 10. That is equals to 15 5s are how much? Yes, quickly. 75. Very good. 75 centimeter square. This is your first area. Right? Area of triangle. Now, let's move with the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle BGFC. Right? Now, area of rectangle. This is equal to, please tell me the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Yes, very good. Yes. Area of rectangle is breadth multiplied by, some are saying breadth multiplied by height. This is a rectangle. Rectangle is having a length and having a breadth. Okay, so formula is length multiplied by breadth. L into B. What is the length here? What is the length? Anyone can tell me what is the length of rectangle? Length of rectangle. Breadth is, this is the breadth. Breadth is 10. Okay. Breadth is 10. Anyone can tell me what is the length here? Length. Rakshit, no. Now wait. Now look very carefully. What is the length given to you in this rectangle? This complete is 100. This complete is 100. Right? Complete is 100. Okay. But the length of rectangle is up to here. Only this much is the length of rectangle. Okay. So what you will do from this complete 100, subtract this area and subtract this length. This length and this length. Right? From this complete 100, subtract this 25. Okay. Plus subtract 15. Add 15 and 25 and subtract from the 100. Understood by everyone? Because the length of rectangle is this much. From this length, from this complete length, subtract the length of triangle, subtract the length of trapezium. You will get this. So, okay, 100 minus 25 plus 15, how much? Yes. How much? 40. So, it is equals to 60. So, 60 centimeter is the length of rectangle. 60 centimeter is the length of rectangle. It's understood by everyone? Okay, it is not. See, in these questions, somewhere length and breadth are not given. So you can take out easily. If the complete length is given, you can see that. You can see in the figure. This is the length of rectangle. So if I cut this length and this length, I'll get this length of rectangle. Right? So I'm writing here length of rectangle is 60. 60 multiplied by 10, that is 600 centimeter square. Right? This is the area of rectangle I have taken out. Area of triangle and rectangle I have taken out. Okay, now which area is left? Which area is left? Area of trapezium. Okay, trapezium. CDEF. Okay, now please tell me quickly, everyone, what is the area of trapezium? Area of trapezium. So many times we have discussed in the class. Yes, very good. Hardik, Avika, very good. Yes, Lakshita, very good. Jasmine, right. Rakshit, very good. Jasmine, yes. So area of trapezium is half into B1 plus B2 into height. Now please tell me what are the parallel sides here. What are the parallel sides in this triangle, in this trapezium? Parallel sides. Yes. This is also given to you. This is also given to you. That is 25. Okay, 25. This is given. Okay, I forgot I mentioned here. This is the B1. Okay, and this is the B2. These two are the parallel sides. B1 is 25. B2 is 10. And height of trapezium is also given. Height of trapezium is given. That is 25. Everything is given of the trapezium. These two are the parallel sides. These two. This one and this one. These two are the parallel sides of 25. Okay, now 1 by 2 into 35 multiplied by 25. Okay, now I can't cancel 2 with this, so my answer will come in decimal, that is 437.5. My answer will come in decimal, 437.5 centimeter square. So this is the third area. This is the third area. Now total area of the figure is, add this area and this area. Okay. So area of figure is, you have to add, which area you have to add? All these three areas. 75 plus 600 plus 437.5. Add all these areas quickly and give me the answer. Quickly, yes. Angel, very good. 111 2.5. 2.5 centimeter square. This is your answer. This is your answer. Any doubt in this question? Chaitanya, right? Cover, right? Any doubt in this question? Sometimes students are getting confused by looking at the figure, that this figure is very complicated. They are leaving the questions in the paper. But you can see that if they are saying that find out the shape of area of this shape, you can see that you can divide, you can split the shape into different parts and take out one by one the areas and you will get the answer. Okay? I'm going to repeat once again. Some students have joined the class late. So it's my instruction to everyone, please join the class on time. And whose cameras are off, who are not sitting properly in the class, within a minute I'm going to remove all these students from the class. You have taken out the area of this complete shape. In this complete shape, there you can split the shape into different parts. This is triangle, this is rectangle, and this is trapezium. Okay. First of all, I'm going to take out the area of triangle ABG. The PDF which I have sent to you, here I have taken up area one by one. The PDF which I have given to you, okay, which I will send to you, there I have taken up the area combined. Area of triangle ABG plus area of rectangle plus area of trapezium. I have taken out together. Okay? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You can take out combined or you can take it one by one. Now area of triangle ABG. In this triangle, area of triangle is always equals to half into base into height. This is a formula. Okay. So base is, this is a base, BG. BG is absolutely equal to CF. Okay. Whatever CF is there, that is BG is there. So CF is given, it means CF and BG are both equals. They both are equal. Okay. And height is given, that is 15 centimeter. So you can write here height and base 15 and 10 and cancel it, answer will be 75 centimeter square. This is the area of triangle. Now comes to the area of rectangle. This is the rectangle. This is the rectangle. BCFG. Okay. And this area of rectangle formula is length multiplied by breadth. Okay. Length, this is the length of rectangle which is not given. Which is not given. Okay. Area of rectangle. So what you will do from this complete length, you have to separate the length of this trapezium and this triangle. Understood? Arush, sit properly. Are you getting all the concept? And Prathame Thosam. Right. So from the complete length, subtract the length of trapezium and rectangle and triangle. You will get the length of rectangle. 100 minus 25 plus 50. That is, the length of rectangle will be 60. The length of rectangle will come 60 centimeter. Okay, so right here, length is 60, breadth is already given to you, that is 10. So put here 10. So length into breadth, that is 600 centimeter square. Now comes to area of trapezium. This is a trapezium in which these two sides are parallel and these two are non-parallel. Okay, so area of trapezium is half into B1 plus B2 multiplied by H. B1 is 25, B2 is 10 and height is already given 25. All the things are given to you. So take out the area of trapezium. At the last, add all these three areas, you will get the complete area of the figure. Any doubt? Yes, everyone? Neerav, it's clear now? Fine. Aniket, sit properly in the class. And let me check how many of you are sitting with their videos off. Amanat 8 Florence, you want some extra instructions? Switch on the video quickly. And Yuvraj Singh 8 Florence, switch on the video quickly. Now, after this fifth question, I'm going to start question 6. Till the time, read out the question quickly. What the shape is given and how you will take out the areas. How you can split the shape. Read out the figure quickly. I'm going to ask and how we can split. Okay, and how we can take out the area. Have you read? Everyone has read? Keshav Gupta, 8 Florence. I'll ask you. I'm making a figure here. Question 6. Then you have to tell me, ma'am, how we can take out the area of this shape. Right. Okay. So here in this figure, I'm writing the naming here A, B, C, D and E. And these are the heights given to you, perpendicular heights, that is G, F and H. Okay. Now what are the lengths given to you? The lengths are which are given to you, that is this is 50 meter. This BF is 50 meter. Okay. AG, this AG is again 50 meter. Right? Then HD is given 20 meter. Right? Now HC is given 30 meter. This is given 30 meter. Okay, after that this GE also given to you 30 meter. This AF is given to you. AF is given to you 80 meter. Okay. One more thing is given, A to H. From A to H, this is also given, that is 120 meter. Okay, so these are the particular lengths given to you of this shape. 50, 50, 30, 30, 20, 80 and 120. Right. Okay, so these are the shapes given to you. Can you identify what kind of shapes we are having in this complete figure? Everyone, please tell me what kind of shapes we are having in this complete shape. How many triangles, how many rectangles? Rectangle is there or trapezium is there? See once again. I'm writing here, you have to take out area of the pentagon, okay, that is AB. You can write area of figure also or area of the pentagon. That is A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So I can split this complete figure in area of first triangle I'm having, that is A triangle ABC. Am I right? Am I right? This triangle I'm having ABC. ABC triangle I'm having. Okay. Plus next triangle I'm having area of triangle. Next triangle I'm having which triangle? Please tell me quickly. Yes, AGE. See, in this triangle, this is right angle triangle. Okay, base is given, height is given. So area of triangle AGE. Okay, plus next triangle. Next which triangle I'm having? Again I'm having one more right angle triangle. Yes, very good Chaitanya. CHD. Area of triangle CHD. First of all, I have taken this complete triangle. Okay, this complete triangle, because height is given, base I can take out. This base is given and this base is given. I'll add and I'll get the complete base. Okay, then I'm having area of triangle AGE. This is a right angle triangle. Base and height I'm having, I'll take out the area. Then area of triangle CHD. Again I'm having base and height, I'll take out the area. Okay? All these area you have to take out one by one. I'll ask you. After that, what else I'm having? What else I'm having? One more thing I'm having. Please tell me quickly. Area of, what is this? What is this? Tell me quickly, what is this? This shape is what? This shape in this way. This is not a rectangle, okay? Don't say it is a rectangle. This is not rectangle, this is what? Square. Who is saying square? Very good. Polygon. No. Manvi right. Swayam no. Parallelogram. Quadrilateral. Oh my god. How many shapes? This is a, very good Rasham. This is a trapezium. This is a trapezium. Okay? This is a trapezium in which these, see this shape, the shape is in this way. Okay? I said in a trapezium, two sides should be parallel to each other. Two sides should be parallel to each other. I am not saying these are equal. If this is 30, this is 20, doesn't matter. They should not be equal. They should be parallel, means going in the same direction. Either this can be bigger, either this can be bigger. Okay, going in the same direction. And these two sides are non-parallel. This is a property of trapezium. This is property of trapezium, that a trapezium is having these two sides are non-parallel, two sides are non-parallel, and two sides are absolutely parallel. Okay, so this is a trapezium. Okay, so I am writing here area of trapezium. Trapezium, that is what was here? E. Okay, DHGE. DHGE. Okay, so these area I have to take out. So we take out area one by one. Should I ask? From everyone? Fine, Chaitanya. Okay, I'm going to ask. Okay, everyone. First of all, take out the area of this triangle. Triangle ABC. Take out the area of triangle ABC. Quickly. Area of triangle. Everyone has to take the practice notebook in their hands whenever you are having the maths lecture. Okay? Take out the area of triangle ABC. Quickly. Quickly. Area of triangle ABC. I'm going to unmute some students. Okay, I'll ask what is the area. Let me ask. Arush, please unmute yourself. Arush.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Arush, please tell me, in this complete triangle ABC, okay, area of triangle is what, first of all? What is the area of triangle?
1 by 2 plus height plus base.
1 by 2 into height into base. Okay, not plus, into, multiply, height and base. Okay, 1 by 2. What is the height of this triangle? Height?
Ma'am, 50 meters.
Very good, 50. What is the base? Base, this complete base. It is not given to you directly. Okay, it is given you in parts. So please tell me what is the length of this base?
Ma'am, 120 meters.
100?
20 meters.
120. Arush, 120 is up to here. A to H. A to H is 120. But complete base is AC. You have to add some more thing in 120.
Ma'am, 150.
Yes, the complete base is 150. 120, this is 120 plus 30, that is 150. It's understood by everyone? Okay, Arush, mute yourself. Now you can cancel 2 25, sir. 25 into 150. How much? Yes, 3750. 3750 centimeter square. Okay, right. Now please tell me the area of triangle AGE. Everyone, area of triangle AGE. I'm going to unmute some students. Area of triangle AGE. Quickly take out. Simar. I'm going to unmute you. So a message will come. See the message and unmute yourself. Just wait. Harshit, you tell me first of all. Harshit. Harshit, unmute yourself quickly. I'm going to take out area of triangle. This AGE. AGE is a right angle triangle, right? Okay, tell me the area of this triangle quickly. Harshit. Yes. Harshit. Am I audible to you? Harshit, say yes or no. Let me call other student. Just wait. Adit. Adit, unmute yourself quickly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Adit, this triangle AGE is a triangle. Which triangle it is?
It's a right angle triangle.
Very good. It's a right angle triangle. Okay. So area of triangle is what? Area of triangle is what?
Area of triangle is half times base times height.
Half into?
Base into height.
Tell me what is the base given here in this triangle?
60 meters.
Huh?
60 meters.
Where 60 I have written? I have written 50.
Oh,
Okay?
50.
50. And what is the height here?
Height is 30.
Height is
30.
30. Okay. So tell me 215, sir, and tell me the answer of this triangle area. How much? Quickly. Yes, yes, yes. 15 multiplied by 50. Quickly.
750.
750. Area will come in units. Tell me the units.
Meter square.
Meter? Yes. It will come in meter square. Meter square. Very good. Please mute yourself. Okay. Next triangle is, quickly take out the triangle. Next triangle. Okay. I'm asking to other students. Area of triangle. Raise your hands. Area of triangle CHD. Area of triangle CHD. Okay, you are telling me the area of this triangle. Yes, Swayam. Swayam, unmute yourself quickly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Swayam, please tell me, what is the area of this triangle CHD?
Then half into base into height.
Okay, half into base into height. What is the base here?
Ma'am, here is the base 30. Ma'am, 30 meters.
30 meter. Very good. And height is
Ma'am, 20 meters.
20. Okay, cancel it and tell me the answer. 15 into 30, how much?
Ma'am, 450.
Just wait, just wait. 2 tens are, 2 tens are. 10 into 30, yes. How much?
Ma'am, 300 meters square.
Very good, very good. Please mute yourself, Swayam. The next is the area of trapezium. Raise your hands, everyone. area of this trapezium, okay, that is DHGE. DHGE. Okay, now tell me the area of this trapezium. Raise your hands quickly. Simarpreet. Due to some network problem, you have left. Now you have joined the class. Now please unmute yourself quickly. Simar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Simar, please tell me what is the area of trapezium. First of all, the formula. Formula of the trapezium. Yes, quickly, Simar.
Ma'am, not able to hear you properly.
What is the area? Area of trapezium. Tell me this trapezium area. Voice is audible to you, Simar?
What, ma'am?
My voice is audible to you? You send me a message. Send me a message quickly. I'm going to unmute other student. Send me a message, Simar, and mute yourself. Anshul Blossom. Anshul Blossom. Unmute yourself quickly. Okay, just next is Kangana. Kangana, please unmute yourself quickly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please tell me what is the area of trapezium. Formula.
1/2
Yes.
B1 plus B2
Very good. B1 plus B2
into height.
into height. Now please tell me what is the B1, B2 in this trapezium. What is the B1, B2 in this trapezium? Do you know? Okay, no worries. Mute yourself. Tanvi, you tell me. Just wait. Some network problem is there, no worries. Okay, send me a message, everyone. I'm reading your messages. No worries. Swayam, correct. Very good. Yes. Yashika, very good. Yes, give me a message. Mishika, very good. Avika, right. Yes. Anshuman, right. So, parallel sides are 30 and 20. 30 plus 20. And what is the height? Height. The height of this trapezium is what? How much the height is given with this trapezium? Anyone can tell me the height? Yes. Very good. This complete is 120. From this 120, you have to subtract this 50. You will get this height. That is 70. Okay. From this complete 120, from A to H, you have to subtract AG. You will get 70. GH. Okay. So height is 70. Now 1/2 into 50 into 70. You can cancel on 25. And area of trapezium is how much? Yes, 1750. Yes, 1750. 1750 meter square. Now you have to take out the area of this complete shape. This complete shape, okay? Complete shape is you have to add this area, add this triangle, this triangle, this triangle, and this trapezium, and you will get the complete area. Will you do the addition by on? Last step is addition. Will you go for addition by on? Everyone? Okay. Okay. So in this shape, there are how many shapes are there in this figure? You can see 1, 2, 3 triangles and 1 trapezium. Okay. We are having 4 different shapes. So take out the area one by one and add all the areas. You will get the answer. Very good. Yes. Yes, Manvi. Simar, yes, very good. Okay. Now, next question. Please mark this question, question 7. Quickly. I'm giving you only one question, 7th question. Quickly mark this question. I'm telling you, I'm making a figure here. I'm just giving you a hint. This question I'll ask you by tomorrow that you have done and how many shapes are there in this figure in question 7th. Okay? So this is the question 7th, which is having okay, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, and these are the perpendicular heights. H, here is G, and here is F. Whatever the lengths are given to you, whatever the lengths are given to you, you have to see that. Okay? And in this complete shape, this is a pentagon. Okay? Pentagon is having 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? This is a 5-shape figure. So in this, you have to split in how many triangles or rectangle or trapezium. That is up to you. Okay? I'm giving you a hint. There you are having 3 triangles. Okay? Jasmine, just wait. Just wait, let me read. No worries. Fine, Jasmine, no worries. Okay? So in this you have to take this triangle. Triangle ABC, triangle ACD, triangle AED. Okay? These 3 triangles you have to consider. ABC, ACD and ADE. Okay, and take out the areas one by one. Area of triangle is half into base into height. Okay, check it out. Okay, I have not written the lengths here. That is given in the book. Take out the area one by one of all these triangles. Add it and take out the area of this complete pentagon. We'll do this question by on. Everyone, this question we'll do by on. This is a homework question. Very, very easy. Okay. All right. So by tomorrow I'll discuss this question, that how many formula, how many shapes you are having in this. Okay, bye bye and take care all of you.